We're in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, southwest side, right next to Penford, where there's a new wall. It's all new, but I wanted to point something out to everybody. And Lonnie wanted to say something.
Oh, it's flooding under the new flood wall. Water's coming up from the sewer and underneath the flood wall.
Ooh, it's slippery over here. Wow.
They have a sandbag. Is that a sandbag?
That is a sandbag.
What's their
They have a sandbag. So I don't know how much higher you can make a flood wall to keep the stuff coming through it in. This is what I've been trying to talk to people about for...
I believe maybe they better fix the sewers before they worry about some